Hey guys, Brandon Hanley here. Excited to bring you something that I've been working on for the last few weeks in the Facebook group. Obviously, a lot of you AutoFunnel members like myself have had questions regarding how to deliver your book, email, and all that stuff. And I know Train the team are working on all of this, but for right now, I came up with a solution, so I wanted to show it to you guys. So what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm going to just create I'm going to use one of these here. So I'm going to click on this one, free lead book generator, right? And so basically what this is, you guys have seen this. I didn't want to create a big old long website because you guys have already gone through that process. But what I did want to do is I wanted to show you guys kind of like a workaround, okay? So right now, if you enter your name, if you're not using MailChimp, or you're kind of nervous to use Zapier, right? Zapier can be kind of intimidating. I want to give you guys a solution, okay? So I'm using a high-level account, right? So I've been using high-level for a long time, and we are an agency of that. So it's called Super System AI. So all the stuff I've used in the past is gone, right? So my email, my text messaging, my automations, everything is inside my Super System AI account. When Trey introduced AutoFunnel, it was like a whole nother level, right? So I wanted to connect the two and wanted to show you guys how to do that. So when you're here, so rather than have get the book and all this stuff here, so I'm just going to go in here and put a JS, like this custom thing down here. And then I'm just going to drag that in there. And then on these, I'm going to delete them. Okay, I'm going to remove that. And then I'm going to remove this one too. Okay. So let us know where to send the book. Okay. Now what I did was in Super System, let me just go back, make sure I saved this. This is the flow that I created. And if you guys want it, I'll just send it to you. You guys can do the same thing. But basically I'm going to go over here to my forms. Okay. So I'm going to go to my sites, forms, and I created this form here. And it was just basic first name and email, right? Now, if you guys don't want, you just want to make it easy, it's just email, then you don't need to put the first name there. But I'm using the first name for a reason because I like sending my emails with the contact first name. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit integrate and I'm going to hit copy embed. And then I'm going to go back over here and I'm just going to paste that in there. Okay, so I'm going to paste, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to hit save. Okay, now it's saved here. That's basically all I need to do. I don't need to do really anything else. If you want to go preview this, you can. It's going to say, let us know where to send the ebook, right? And it's going to put first name and email. That's the gist of it. Now, if you guys want to make this look nicer, you can, but I just want to show you how quick and easy this stuff is, okay? So let me go back over here into automation real quick and show you what's going to happen here. So, and like I said, this is all, it's pretty seamless how this works. So basically what happens is if the trigger set here is the form is someone fills out that form, okay? That form is right here. So anytime someone fills this out, it's going to trigger this automation, okay? Email is going to go out right away, okay? So it's going to go out and it's going to say, from me, from my email, your download awaits, right? And it says, hey, contact, first name, thank you for downloading a free book. And then I've attached it here because in Super System AI, you can attach files. So I've attached it here, okay? So I don't need to have a download link or nothing like that or send them to another, page. They actually will be able to download the PDF right from the email, okay? So, and then I have a wait step. I do that between all these things. I add a tag. The tag basically says AutoFunnel-opt-in, so I know where they came from. And then I add a task. Now that task is just for me on my dashboard to know that somebody opted in, right? So when I log into my Super System AI account, I can see a new opt-in, and then from there I can manually follow up or do whatever I want to do, right? If you're tracking, you can actually create pipelines too. We can go really crazy with Super System AI, but for this example, I'm going to keep it basic. I'm going to wait one day, and then from there, I'm going to send another email out that says, hey, all this tech was set up in a few minutes and is all automated. It works seamlessly with AutoFunnel AI. If you want to learn more, just reply to the email, right? It's one of those little 8-word emails. Hey, reply to email if you're interested type thing. Now, we could go crazier with this too, where we could send out like a couple videos or a text message, or whatever we want to do, we can. But for this example, I wanted to keep it really basic. Okay, so the automation is already built. And as you can see in here under the contacts, I don't have anybody in here. Okay, this is a brand new account that I just created just for this example. So nobody's in here. And if you look at my dashboard, there's nothing here, right? No data. It's all brand new account. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go through this and I'm gonna basically if we were running this, now this works on a website or anything in AutoFunnel, we would just create that, we're using this custom JS down here. We could put it anywhere we want. So if you want to put multiple, hey, grab your book here and just an email, you just paste that in there, you can, okay? So, but for this example, we're gonna keep this basic. Grab your free copy here. That's what it looks like, right? So I'm gonna put first name, I'm gonna put Brando. I'm gonna put Brando there actually, Brando. And then email, I'm gonna use this actionxo@gmail.com, okay? And then basically what happens next is I wanted it to say, not redirect them anywhere. I just wanted them to say, hey, thank you for downloading, check your email. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit submit. And then the next thing that happens is thank you for downloading my free ebook. Now, if you guys wanted something else to happen, you can. But considering we're integrating these two together, I don't want to get too crazy with tech, right? So this basically is just popping up a script of saying, hey, thank you for downloading the ebook. You will receive the download link, your download link to your email shortly. Now, over here, if I refresh this, it might take a couple seconds because I had it wait a little bit. But what we'll notice on the dashboard is a task that popped up. Brandon opt-in form. Reach out to see if there are any questions regarding how to implement Super System AI and AutoFunnel, blah, 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 whatever, right? So now I know I get notified. Now I can send an email to myself, or if you want to use the app, you can send a notification to letting know you have an opt-in, okay? Now, probably don't want to do that with opt-ins, probably more someone that replies. That's more of a warm lead, right? So you'd want to react or interact with them as quick as possible. But I just want to show you how we could put a task here. I have it set for 3 days just because if it happens on a Friday, obviously I don't work on Saturday and Sunday. So I come back on Monday, it'll say due. It'll be in red so you can see it. Now contact wise, come into here and we'll see Brando right here. Okay, Brando is in here, and all I asked for was the first name and the email, so that's it. And then obviously the email's already been sent. So the email's already in Brandon's account. So let me show you where that's at. All right, so this is it right here. Now you'll see this one at the top. I tested this before I did the videos to make sure everything was working. So you'll see this is another one. It says your download awaits, and it says, hey Brando, thank you for downloading the free AI ebook. You can access it below, right? And so you see here is the Bookle, basically it's the PDF, right? So when you're in Bookle, you guys know when you're in there, right? So in your guys' account here on Bookle, you guys can come in, you can see your books, and you can just go to download PDF. So I download a PDF and then I upload it into the system. And so basically it's all good to go, right? So everything works, it works back and forth. So what I mean by back and forth means that I can download a book from Bookle. I can put it into my Super System AI account, which I did here, which you guys can see here in the automation. All I did was just add an attachment. So over here, it's going to, on the email, see how it says it's delivered, opened. So it's already basically saying it's already been delivered. It's 100% opened. That's my open rate, right? Because I only got one, I opened it. But in here, I just attached it down here. Hit add attachment, and I can add the PDF. Okay, so you can add whatever you want in here. But the point of it is, under 10 minutes here, we just got a new page up with AutoFunnel AI. So you can do this on your AutoFunnel AI web pages or landing pages, and then create your book. Same thing if you want to be using, which I love here, is coming into Copycraft and crafting out email sequences. So you can build those things out here and then put them in here, right? So rather than just write whatever, you can come and put your sequences in here. So the system is amazing. AutoFunnel, thank you guys so much for creating this. But I just wanted to show you how you guys connect the two. Obviously this is Super System AI. This is my brand. But you guys can use, if you guys have questions on it, or you guys want to get you already have a high level account or whatever. I know a lot of times people say high level is confusing. There's a lot to it, yes, but I've been using it for 3 years now, so I know it inside and out. So would love to help you guys out. If you guys need that assistance, let me know. If you guys want to opt in, do that. Go here, grab your free book. It's the first Bookle book that I created. So you can download that for free, and then obviously you'll get the email saying, hey, have any questions, just reply to the email. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Love what AutoFunnel AI and the members, I love being part of the community. I just wanted to show you guys a solution on how you can connect the two. I'll make another video too on how you can use Zapier. If you want to use Zapier with, you can use Zapier here. 2, with Super System AI, so that those two connect together. Or you can use it with other softwares that are out there as well. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I will chat with you guys soon. Cheers.